What's up, guys? Corey here, BPB. We are back at it again. It's been a few weeks since I put anything out. That's because we've been really busy on this Impala. Didn't really want to film a lot on it. It's going to be up for sale. That's kind of what this video is about. I am going to do a short startup and walk around of it, and then it's actually already listed online. If anybody's interested, 12.5 or best offer. You guys can hit me up in the comments or go to my Facebook page, BPB Restorations. It's listed on there as well. Yeah, so without saying much more, let's just go ahead and go check this thing out. All right, guys, it's a barn find. I believe it probably was driven last in the early 2000s, I believe, and you know, it had a paint job probably in the early 90s from what I can tell. I'm gonna say it was definitely an amateur job, so it's not great. It could use paint, but it's not terrible. It looks good. It looks beautiful driving down the road. There's a few dents, a few dings, scrapes, scratches. It's not perfect, guys. Chrome needs some work. It's all, you know, everything's all faded and dingy, but it's here. There's good bones. Everything's solid. Hood's good. Trunk looks good from what I can tell. Somebody did do tried to do a automatic roll down power window conversion or whatever. This motor here, they're done as far as I can tell, but this motor here is not operating, so this window doesn't go up and down when you hit the switch. However, the other side does. You just kind of, instead of rolling it, you just kind of push down on it and then the window will roll down. But the back ones are still regular cranks. The cranks are there, they just said fallen off. Interior is still from '64. The only thing different is these ugly door panels that do not match. New floor pans underneath from there to here. I do believe it looks good underneath. There's undercoating. Somebody definitely done a great job, you know, restoring it in the 90s from everything they've done, and we've done, you know, a little bit to clean it up since then, just to sell it for him. So we're just helping this guy sell this. So if there's any interest in it, drop it down in the comments or hit up my Facebook page, BPB Restorations, and message me on there, and we can get you in touch with him. I believe he's asking 12.5 or best offer. The underside don't look terrible. I'll show you guys a little bit. It's had a patch, a trunk pan patch. It looks like it was done pretty well, pretty nice. Oh, that ain't good. The underside here, the floor pans, bead rolled pans. They don't look like they're 100% factory pans, but it's undercoated nicely. It looks like it's pretty well done, somewhat right. Yeah, so any interest in this, I'll go ahead and set this thing up on the tripod real quick, and we will give it a fire. Not a bad running car. From what I can gather, almost all the lights work. There may be some issues with them here and there. I don't know. The bulbs on the back, a few of them are probably bad, but the engine seems to run real good. It's definitely not a showpiece, but it's a good driver. Makes somebody a good driver for sure. Cruiser. If anybody's interested, like I said, get at me. We can make you a fine deal on it. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for checking out my short video of the 64 Impala. Like I said, that's kind of what we've been working on the last couple of weeks. It's been taking our time. I didn't video much on it. It's just a lot of tedious stuff. Just dialing in the engine and getting it running right, and you know, it's all that tedious crap that took a lot of time. But yeah, so this thing, if you guys are interested, get at me. I'll, you know, like I said, get you in contact with the right person. And yeah, on to the next project, I guess. So we'll be starting that Monday. It's a 96 Chevy. So thanks for watching, guys.